Welcome to the Month in Review briefing. This briefing will highlight the weather of August 2013, as well as the temperature and precipitation outlooks for the month of September 2013. This graphic is from the High Plains Regional Climate Center and shows the departure from normal temperatures for the month of August 2013. The time period for the normals is 1981 to 2010. A value of 0 would mean that the location reported a normal average temperature. Most of the region reported near to above normal temperatures for the month, with some locations in northeast Oregon as much as 5 degrees above normal. The next graphic is also from the High Plains Regional Climate Center. This shows the percent of normal precipitation for the Northwest for the month of August 2013. A value of 100% means that the location reported their average monthly total precipitation. Locations that saw the most thunderstorm activity reported above normal precipitation, such as parts of southeast Washington as well as central Oregon. Locations along the Blue Mountains and into Wallowa County reported near to below normal precipitation totals for the month. A low-pressure system moved across Washington during the later half of the month. A disturbance associated with the low brought thunderstorms during the afternoon hours on August 25th. A few cooperative weather stations broke record 24-hour precipitation totals ending the morning of the 26th. The cooperative station at Madras, Oregon, reported 0.5 inches of precipitation, tying the previous record set in 1953. The cooperative station 2 miles north of Madras, Oregon, reported 1 inch of precipitation, breaking the previous record of 0.48 inches set in 1977. The cooperative station at Pendleton Dam, Oregon, reported 1.1 inches of precipitation, breaking the previous record of 0.1 inches set in 1968. The cooperative station at Sisters, Oregon, reported 0.32 inches of precipitation, breaking the previous record of 0.28 inches set in 1979. The cooperative station in Goldendale, Washington, reported 0.39 inches of precipitation, breaking the previous record of 0.22 inches set in 1926. And the cooperative station at Sadis Pass, Washington, reported 0.41 inches of precipitation, breaking the previous record of 0.32 inches set in 1989. Another disturbance brought strong thunderstorms across central Oregon as well as in the Columbia Basin during the afternoon of August 25th. The largest hail report came from Madras at 1.75 inches in diameter. A weather spotter 5 miles west of Prineville also reported large hail at 1.25 inches in diameter. Heavy rain also accompanied these storms, with minor flooding reported in Kennewick and in the Madras area. An amateur radio observer reported 2.23 inches of rain having fallen in 1 hour 15 miles south-southwest of Madras, Oregon. These storms also produced strong winds that damaged irrigation wheel lines in Madras, as well as brought down tree limbs 4 to 7 inches in diameter in Kennewick. Winds at the Pasco Airport gusted to 60 miles per hour, while winds gusted to 71 miles per hour at a Mesonet station 11 miles northeast of Richland. And now we will turn our attention to the forecast for September 2013. This graphic is issued by the Climate Prediction Center, or CPC, and is the temperature outlook for the month of September. The cool colors indicate a greater chance of below normal temperatures, and the warm colors represent a greater chance of above normal temperatures. The time period for the normals runs from 1981 to 2010. The Pacific Northwest is forecast to have a greater chance of above normal temperatures. This graphic is CPC's precipitation outlook for the month of September. The green colors represent a greater chance of above normal precipitation, and the brown colors represent a greater chance of below normal precipitation. The Pacific Northwest is under what is called equal chances. This means that the probability of the most likely category cannot be determined, and the expected likelihood of above, below, or near normal temperatures doesn't differ from the climatological odds of 33.3% for each category. Please keep in mind that these are probabilities of averages, and that the day-to-day weather will still vary for the month of September. This concludes our briefing. Please continue to visit National Weather Service web pages for the latest weather information, including watches, warnings, and advisories. Thank you for your time.